The most dangerous voice you will ever hear is not from an enemy. It is not from a critic. It is not from the internet. It is your own voice, inside your own head. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of your thoughts." That means every word you whisper to yourself becomes who you are. Every silent sentence shapes your destiny. Number 1. I can do this. Epictetus taught that people are not disturbed by events, but by their judgments about events. When you say, "I can't," you are not describing reality. You are creating it. Your mind believes what you tell it. Tell it, "I can't," and it will find proof. Tell it, "I can," and it will find a way. The Stoic does not say, "I can't." They ask, "What must I do to make this possible?" Never say, "I can't." Say, "I am learning." Say, "I am trying." Say, "I will." Because every master was once a beginner who refused to say, "I can't." Number 2. I'm not good enough. Seneca wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality. And there's no greater imagination than the story you tell yourself about your own worth." Who told you that you're not enough? Your past? A cruel voice from childhood? One failure that you turned into an identity? The Stoic knows that worth is not measured by achievements. It is measured by character, by effort, by virtue. You are enough not because of what you have done. You are enough because you are trying, because you are growing, because you are here. Never say, "I'm not good enough." Say, "I am becoming better every day." Number 3. It's too late for me. Marcus Aurelius was nearly 40 when he became emperor. Seneca wrote his greatest works after exile. Musonius Rufus taught philosophy while in prison. The only time it is too late is when you are dead and you are still breathing. Every morning you wake up is permission to begin again. The past does not own you. Yesterday's failures do not define you. Regret is just a memory that lost its power. Never say it's too late. Say right now as the perfect time to start. Because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Number 4. What will they think? Epictetus asked, "Why do you care what others think? Are they the ones who live your life? Do they wake up in your body? Do they face your struggles?" The answer is no. The opinions of others are outside your control, and the Stoic never wastes energy on what they cannot control. People will judge you no matter what you do. So stop asking permission to exist. Never say, "What will they think?" Say, "What I think matters more." Because the only opinion that sleeps with you at night is your own. Your words become your thoughts. Your thoughts become your actions. Your actions become your life. Speak carefully, even to yourself, especially to yourself. Stay strong. Stay stoic.